What's up guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to be changing the exhaust gasket. You guys can kind of see it. It's like, you see that? It's not good anymore. So I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can hear it. At first I thought it was a misfire. Kind of sounded like one, but doesn't even matter. So let's turn it on real quick, not too long because I don't need it to get too hot, but just enough for you guys to hear it. Kind of rusty, so we'll put some PB blaster. I ordered a set of copper nuts. I watch. Oh yes, I'm gonna be able to remove it. So look at that, enough to take it off, I guess. Look at that. There's part of the exhaust gasket. There's the rest in pieces, and you can see a little bit on the exhaust leak. Honestly, there wasn't much of exhaust gasket on there, so what I'm gonna do is actually put a bead of Permatex exhaust gasket sealant and put the exhaust gasket itself, put it in there, and hope it seals it up good enough just to build some boost again, because I was kind of wondering what was going on, and I thought I must have blown something on the head. It obviously sounded like a tick, so I figured I kind of thought it was something with the head. So what I'm gonna do is fix this. I'm glad I found this out. So let's hope I'm able to fix it. So I put a little bead in between. Not sure if I should put some on the outside too, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that and just try to crunch it together. Let's hope it doesn't leak. So let's put it on. Alright guys, so I think I fixed it. Turned it on and you don't hear that ticking sound anymore, so I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you guys can hear it. And there it is. Still warming up, but you can't hear it anymore. So far my AFR looks right. That's what it is on a cold start. So I'll take it out later when I go to the gym. Let's see if everything worked out good, but you don't hear that ticking sound anymore. Alright guys, so I just got gas. I ended up retiming the bug, so everything's good now. It's not popping, misfiring, or any of that. It's running good, and I thought it was a spark plugs, but it's not. So right back home, and let's see how it goes. and if that fixes it, I will let you guys know in the next video. As of right now, I mean, it runs good. It doesn't have that ticking noise anymore, which was only the exhaust leak, and basically that was it. Changed that. Runs good, but it still sputters, so I'm gonna definitely change my spark plugs, because this same tune that I've been running for a while hasn't given me any issues. So I know for sure there's something wrong with the spark. There's my Ultima right there, you guys can see it. Put the plug inside. Let's try not to run over that hot glue gun. I have that pole right there, if you guys can see that. I freaking hit that 2 times already. And I ended up hitting it with my dome light, my headlight. Hit it with my headlight, and then I hit it with my fender. So I left a dent on my fender, but I fixed it. The headlight just popped it back out. It's a glass lens, so I just pushed it back out. Good thing it didn't break. So anyways, that'll be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys have a good one. Peace.